Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Transmissions such as P0740, P0741 or P0742. Stay with us guys and we'll explain what could cause that. Now let me guys introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Why guys? Because our goal is to save you as much money as we can guys. So please in return guys, subscribe, give a like and drop a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful to you. So we'll also have guys a playlist with all the helpful videos on Chevy Cruze. Check it out on the channel as well. Now let me explain if you guys have any of those three codes guys. P0740, 0741 or 0742. This relates to the torque converter clutch guys. Torque converter, as you know, it's located between, it's in the transmission bell housing, it's between the transmission and the engine. That big, like a bow, looks like a bow, that's your torque converter there guys. Now, actually the clutch is guys controlled by a solenoid. So if you get any of those codes guys, they call it the code of death, because sometimes it means you have to remove the transmission to replace the converter, or you have to replace the transmission, but in other cases you can simply fix it by removing the transmission oil pan. You will need to drain the fluid. All that is on the channel guys, but just a quick video that explains that codes now. And get to your solenoid body. This is your solenoid body, this is the transmission computer here guys. And now one of those guys solenoids controls the torque converter, and you have generation 1 or 2 transmission. Generation 1 you have black solenoids, generation 2 like ours, they're colored, and you have only one black. So for both of the generation guys, doesn't matter which one you have on a Chevy Cruze guys, and I think it will work even for the new ones until recent 2019, 2020 models as well. This solenoid right here guys, next to the shifter solenoid, this is your shifter solenoid in the middle. Next to it guys, you have another solenoid. This is your torque converter clutch solenoid. So if that solenoid guys is stuck open or closed, it can cause those problems. So just because of that solenoid you can get any of those three codes. Now you can test them. We have the video on our channel how to test them, but even if they test fine, sometimes it still could be malfunctioning under certain conditions, under hot or cold transmission fluid, so it could be really complicated deal. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you trying to figure this thing out. Again, we have the video on the channel that explains how to replace it. Please guys, don't forget to give a like, subscribe and drop a comment. Let us know if it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.